My name is Chris Cook and I'm the plant manager at Mira Hull. I've worked in various manufacturing businesses across my 25-year career, and I joined Mira just over 4 years ago as a supply chain manager. In 2022, I was given the opportunity to take over the role of plant manager at the Hull site, which was an exciting opportunity to grow my skill set, and I've been in this role for the last 2.5 years. The team in Hull have been focusing on scrap reduction for the past 2 years. Essentially, the improvements have come from a focus on quality and improvement from everyone involved in the manufacturing process. This included monitoring raw materials, working with suppliers to achieve material quality improvements, carrying out effective root cause and improvement activity when issues occur. These improvements succeeded in reducing scrap from the shower tray production line by 45%. The initiative has eliminated approximately 61 tonnes of scrap waste and 65 tonnes of carbon across 2023 and 2024, supporting our Better Planet pillar. Bold Ability is our business resource group for associates with disabilities and their allies, something I'm really proud to be part of, and I took over as BRG lead in October 2024. Our big ambition for this year is to grow our collective understanding of disability, particularly those with invisible disabilities, making Kohler Mira as inclusive as possible. In 2025, we're focusing on neurodiversity and celebrating what neurodiverse associates bring to our business. We'd also like to understand how we benchmark ourselves against other organisations and identify things we can change to make a difference. At Hull, one of our biggest achievements has been a large-scale packaging project that was undertaken in 2023 with the objective of removing all single-use plastics and achieving 100% recyclability. The core of this project involved designing and testing a cardboard solution to enable us to move away from EPS, polystyrene packaging. With this new initiative, Mira Showers packaging has reduced non-recyclable plastic per tray by 100% and saved approximately 1.5 million pieces, 6,000 metres cubed and 100 tonnes of plastic each year, reducing CO2 emissions by 138,761 kilograms a year. In our efforts to reduce energy consumption, the voltage optimisation project was implemented in 2024. The system works by ensuring we only supply voltage to equipment at the required level, and the project is due to achieve a saving of 106,000 kilowatt hours of energy per year. This equates to 7% of the site's total energy use. This ensures a reduction in power consumption and carbon footprint.